Hello, my name is Antonio, and we're going to talk about the case which name is uh, Christmas in March. This case is enveloped by the production of Christmas ornaments in China. So uh, we have to say that these products are mainly done in the city of Yiwu in China, and they are accounting for 84% of the world's holiday decoration products by 2019. So after that, we're going to talk about the activities involved in the global value chain for the production of the ornaments. So first, we have the sourcing of raw material, as well as the manufacturing, quality control of the products, the packing, international logistics. This talks about the shipping, the distribution to retailers, and as well as the sales and the care that they take after the product is delivered to the consumer or the retailer, as you can say. Then we're going to talk about the actors or the agents involved in each of these stages of the value chain, that are the lead firms as well as small factories, sourcing raw material agents, wholesalers, uh, contract manufacturers, logistic companies, and finally the retailers. So here's another question: why Santa's workshop is in China and not at the North Pole? Well, first of all, I think it's impossible to have a manufacturing company in the North Pole, but that's not the question. The question is that the cities like Yiwu offer a combination of advantages for the manufacturing of Christmas decorations, in the terms that they have a low labor and a low material costs. And besides of that, they have an extensive experience in the production and, a large network of suppliers for the products. This make them a really cost efficient city to have your production of these ornamental products. Well, another question is how can small companies compete with large manufacturers? Well, small local companies can compete by focusing themselves in a niche. And each product is a small community that have a specific problem, and by someone making a product for this niche, they satisfy these clients and they attack this specific segment of the market. That's one of those, as well as the agility that allows them to adapt quickly to the market changes and fulfill the specific demands that larger manufacturers might find unprofitable or too complex. So then we're going to move to the next question, that is like, why not do large multinational leading companies like Walmart own their own supply chains and run them at a large scale? Well, owning an entire supply chain will require a lot of investment, as well as manufacturing, logistics, distribution networks, a lot of things of investment, as well as time and money. So people like Walmart see this as less agile because they rely on their outsourcing. That's why they do it, because it's more fast, and by them doing everything, there'll be less flexibility, as well as the prices that they will manage will go up. So having the outsourcing allows large companies to diversify their production risks. This means that by outsourcing, you have an access to a wide range of specialized skills and products. That's what we were saying before. Then we have which are the risks for Walmart leading such a long chain? Well, these risks include delays on shipping or production issues, as well as quality control problems, ethical concerns, a lot of things. Then we have which risks can we observe in the Christmas in March case. So the case revolves a lot the issue of the COVID-19 pandemic and the impact on their production and shipping container shortages, as well as the political tensions that affect trade policies and logistical challenges like the Suez Canal blockage. Then, what are these risks that prevail from 2022 in 2023? Well, ongoing pandemic-related disruptions, as well as some geopolitical tension, as well as new one, logistic bottlenecks, and for 2023, the potential risk could include further pandemic outbreaks, as well as shipping costs increased. How serious is the risk of closing cities in China due to zero COVID policy? Well, the risk is significant as such closures directly impacting the manufacture output and shipping logistics. This helped in building delays, cost for delays, and the rise on cost for Chinese manufacturers. What Walmart can do in order to mitigate this problem is to take advantage and ask for the products before their due date. Can Walmart build their own factories to avoid relying on multiple middlemen? Well, building its own factories could offer Walmart more control, but the problem is the investment, the money, the time they need, and the challenges to overcome in order to fulfill this plan. But the reality is that it wouldn't be cost effective compared to their capabilities right now. So, should the Walmart force contractors to move to Southeast Asia or back to Europe or the US? Well, Walmart can encourage them and reduce the risk forcing contractors to move, but it may not be practical. And finally, we're going to close this conversation. What did you identify but the consumption pattern of the U.S. consumers purchasing Christmas ornaments? The case does not specifically detail the changes in consumption pattern, but we can say that the U.S. consumes the product before even the season starts. So we start to seeing the Christmas ornaments in October. So this can be a fact that retailers need to stock these items well in advance for their holiday. And does this happen in Latin America as well? Yes, it's very common. There's this saying that says Mexico is far from God, but near from the U.S. So it's basically the same. My name is Antonio. Thank you.